This is the World Trade Center, guys, of Russia.
The first translation is a bridge to intercultural dialogue. We must all encourage a form of multilingualism, meaning having people speak multiple languages. We should also encourage cultural education. That is how people immerse in culture. And I did use myself as an example. I was born in the Anglo-Saxon tradition, spoke English all my life.
Às vezes eu conheci essa.
So this got also like a supermarket. Got restaurants. A lot of artwork, souvenir shops, Congress. This is Congress Center, guys, over here. That we are moving Korean Japanese restaurants. Oh, that is cool, guys. Ah, that's where I was, guys. That's exactly. I've been there already. The second floor, guys. World Trade Center of Moscow. Let's check out this floor. Yeah, super expensive. Everything, guys, expensive here. Watches. Man, this is like a own little town. We are open. We're not open now. Today is Sunday, by the way, that I'm doing this. Only partial city places are open. Chinese are buying stuff here. We got a travel project. Alright, guys, here we go. You got an own drugstore here, in case you need it. And also, guys, on the second floor there's more shops, etc. We're gonna go around. This is the Plaza Garden Hotel, and here you can see the beautiful hallway. This is the hotel side of this. Business side of Plaza Garden Hotel. There's a separate Plaza Garden non-business business side. And this here is the connection point to World Trade Center. We're gonna go downstairs as well, my friends. Yeah, what is this place? This one is wow. Looks luxurious. Beauty studio. This here is wow, check it out. That's the entrance to this place from other side, right? This is coinciding, the film is coincided with Intervision Russia, by the way. Lunch, dinner, not the main event. Right here, of course, more shops for super rich. Lifestyle dance club over here. Fashion code. I don't even want to ask how much are these. Get a China Garden restaurants. And artwork that is on sale. Okay, this one here is 500,000, my friends. 500,000 is 50,000. What the freaking hell? 380,000. That's 38,000. I think. Yeah, approximately. Very rough cut. You got fitness club over here. Flowers if you need to buy. Or and probably I assume you can order Galleria, more art over here. And we are over here in the lobby, my friends, which is pretty awesome looking, right? And you got a bar over here, which is pretty luxurious. Not luxurious, but a little bit upscale. Look at the details of this hotel and World Trade Center combined. Like 8, 9, maybe 10 floors, and all of these sides are the entrances to the hotel, and this side is already the side of World Trade Center of Moscow.
Вот, поэтому я не люблю.
Это очень важная проблема, о которой мы тоже должны думать. Только, знаете как, важно не думать, а информация, а может все достоверно, но и очень многие не могут говорить, это просто...
Бред, Борис Накар, бред сумасшедшего, да. Который же никто никак.
Unite us all for what we are standing. Not interesting which religion we are going, join us today, but we established a world alliance for traditional values and freedom of belief and the neutral.
А вы этот полностью одевали, вот эту кепочку, говорили,